Hey, so this is a quick video of me replacing that water valve. What happened was it was leaking from here. It's an old one, um, and I just decided to replace it. So as you can see, I first of all caught there because I tried to unhook it from here, and that was in a struggle. So I decided to just cut it there. Then after I cut it there, because my house has a scroll space, so I needed to push this one out. So I cut it there first, right? Then I push it out, and then when I push it out, I cut it here because those coupling there, they were not. I wasn't able to push those through the hole, so that's how I got it out. Okay. Then I went to Home Depot, and here I have the receipt. So the total was $61.11, including the Red Bull. As you can see here, I bought let me see, this one is the valve, which was $31.98. This one right here, let me show you. It's actually the same brand as this one. It's was there for maybe, I don't know, but few long years. I'll tell you that. My house was built in 1955, and that's the original one, I think. And as you can see, I have galvanized everything down there. It's galvanized. I even had a leak on my front yard on the main water valve. Is galvanized. That was a headache, but I'll see if I can post a video about that, how I was able to fix it. So then we have this part here. Then I'm gonna just put this together with this coupling right here. So this one was pretty cheap. It's 1.5. What is it? Right here. That one right there. It was $1.89. So then I'm going to cut that about here, you know, to make it the same length, maybe up here a little bit more, because it's going to be some space here. And then I'm going to use this coupling, which is, I love it, for galvanized. This is the best. With two of this, I was able to fix my main water valve galvanized, and this is the best. Like, this is the best ever. This one right here is, I'll show you right now real quick, is this one right here, which was $8.49. And then this piece of galvanized one, which is 1.5 inch. That one was what is it? Okay, $7.96. And just to put them into this threads right here, I'm going to use this one, and that was $2.98. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it with my grinder. Then I'm going to put all this together, right? I'm going to, well, not all of it together, just this section. I'm going to push it in, and then right underneath there, because I won't be able to push this one through. I'm not quite sure. I think I will not. But then basically just put in everything together. So Let's just do that. Put all this together. Okay. Already slide it in. So now I'll go to the inside. I needed to actually make the hole a little bit bigger, but it's already in place. So let's move on to the next part. So we are down here right now. That's where I cut it, right? So I already have all my stuff here aligned. Let's see, it's right here. It's so it's already there, and this is the other end. So now let's it's not the best spot to work, but it is what it is. Okay. All right. So now let's put all this together. So this one, it has this plastic one goes in first. Well, you basically, this one, what you do is you push it in there, right there. Okay, then this washer goes in like that there. Well, I did it backwards, man. It's hard. So you first push it in, right? You put it in, then the washer, and then the rubber big washer. You push it in, so you can just leave that much of a gap there. Then you basically just tie like that, right? And then you will do the same thing on that end right there. You put this one the same way. You first will remove this part right there. Let me just show you. Let me see if I'm able to do it. Okay. So, okay, just like that. The washer is already inside. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just push it in just like that, and then the rubber one, just push it in just like that. So now I'm gonna use this pulling to connect these two ends. I already I wrapped it into the blue Gorilla thread tape, and now I'm going to proceed and just tie both ends. This is so far how this one looks. We're almost done here. Let's go. That's how it goes. So now let's just open it and see how it works. Alright, so I finally got it, right? And then I noticed that there was like a slow leak. So after inspecting what happened, that coupling had a crack. So then I went back and bought this one, 1.5. This one looks very promising, very solid. So now I'm gonna replace it. You see the leak right there? just right there. But other than that, everything's great. Everything is just great. So let's get to this. So this is how you properly install this one. You take it apart, and first you plugged it in on that end, and then on this one, you screw it in on that end, and then on the other end, because I committed the mistake of just try to put it on the way that it came all together, and that's a huge mistake. So that's the proper way to do it. All right, and it's done. No leaks. No leaks. And it's done. Oof. Let's get out of here. So that's how it looks with the gap that is there. I left it there because I needed that, you know, just to pull it in and out and be able to adjust it inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create work with this pieces of wood so I can secure the valve to the wall. So let's do that.